Good morning and welcome back here to the channel. Thanks for tuning in here for another episode here of the Speed Bug. Sorry that my garage is kind of all a mess. I got my bikes and shit all over the place, but today is a very special day. We are finally saying goodbye to Snow White for a week or so. It is going to Lashway to finally get all of the work that I have been putting off for a while, and I will reveal it to you now. So it's going to get CNC ported heads from Texas Speed Stage 3 cam, Johnson Racing lifters, and of course all the other supporting things that go along with it. And maybe if this supercharger won't support it, a bigger supercharge, but we're not going down 1, 2, 3. We're going down 4 pulleys on the supercharger for max boost to see what we can do. We're basically going to push this LT1 to its limits before I get on borrowed time, to see exactly how much horsepower we should make. With the setup and everything, the motor won't handle it, but it will definitely be over 1,000 before, after a rod stretch or something like that. But on a street tune, we'll probably roughly run it around 800 just so I can still keep driving it and it doesn't blow up. So we're going ahead right now. We're gonna go get ready to take this thing to Lashway. It'll be there for about a week or so. They're gonna do a baseline dyno. Again, when it was in Chicago up north, it dynoed in its current state at 609 to the wheels, and we're going to go a little bit higher than that. They have a Mustang dyno, so take away, 15, 18, 12%, whatever your calculation is. And also, it's a lot hotter here in Florida than it was in Chicago. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing going, get this thing on its way to Lashway. Follow-up videos and everything with the mods and everything, and the chop and the blower and all that other stuff. After it's done, I'll make another video when I pick it up here in a week. But let's go ahead and get it ready to go. And I am sorry and sad to hear it say goodbye. So one last final startup. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here at Lashway, here to give the vehicle to Eric. That's the guy that's going to take care of the vet, and I will see it here in a week. Look at that. And the shop dogs. Alright, so we just dropped the car off here at Lashway Motorsports. Should be done in about a week, hopefully not too much longer, and that's going to conclude it. There she is, sitting there behind the trailer, and we're getting ready to pull away and leave old Snow White here. She'll be gone for about a week or so. So we will be back to come pick her up, and she's gonna be nasty. Until then, that's gonna conclude it for today's video. If you like what you saw, again, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you for a week in an episode for another one here on the Speed Bug channel. Have a good one.